I am a fucking architect. God damn it, I'm just stuck selling shit furniture because someone won't get off their fat fucking ass and help me.
It's just the way we're wired.